Welcome back. Now in this session we are going to cover some other examples of data pump. Now in which first we'll cover remap schema and remap table spaces, and then we'll see include and exclude clause, then we'll see parameter file or par file, then what is the SQL file, and then we'll see what is the purpose of attach, and then we'll see how to full export and import databases, and then we'll see some important views to monitor the data pump job. So first we'll see what is the purpose of remap schema and remap table spaces. So now here I can see that I have two databases. First database name is test and second database name is focus1. So here I have written a query: select username comma default table space from db underscore users where username is equal to u2, and the same query I have fired in another database. So here I can see my user is RASH, and my in this database I have U2 user. So if I connect with U2 and I just want to see how many objects are there. No, here I can see that I have three objects and I want to export all the objects and want to import inside the RASH schema. So if you connect with RASH and if you fire a query select star from tab, so here you can see that I do not have any object. So I want to export all the objects from the U2 schema and want to import in the RASH schema. So here while importing the dump file I need to use remap schema since my schema names are different. So here I can see that both the users are using same table space. So users and users. So here only schema names are different. So first I have to perform export job expdp username u2 and then directory clause is equal to data underscore pump underscore dir, then dump file is equal to u u12.dmp, and here I am not going to write any table clause, so by default all schema will be exported. So here I got the error. I need to check data underscore pump underscore dir, that is fine. I need to give some privileges, grant read comma write on directory data underscore pump underscore dir to u2. So first I need to connect with sysdb and then I grant the privileges. So I granted the privileges to u2. Now again I need to fire this query. So here I can see that my total size in block is 192 KB. So it is exporting. Since I do not have any read write privileges on the directory, so that's why I got the error. Now in this database I also need to uh, give some privileges to rash user. Grant read comma write on directory data underscore pump underscore dir to rash. So here I also granted to rash. Now here I can see that all the objects has been exported and my dump file has been created successfully. Now I am going to perform import. So here I have to fire import job. impdp username is rash and then directory clause and then dump file, and then here I need to write remap schema is equal to u2 colon rash. So u2 is my source and rash is my target. So all object will be remapped to from u2 to rash user. So if you have a different user and you want to perform export import, so while importing you need to use remap schema clause. Now here I can see that my all data has been imported from u2 to rash user. So now if you connect with rash, then you can see all the objects inside the rash user. Select star from tab. Now here I can see all objects are there inside the rash schema. So in this way I can use remap schema.